Hey, we are thoroughly enjoying this Willow and Everett Wok Pan. I've been looking for a wok for a while. It's kind of hard to find them. They used to be all over the place. Now they're kind of slim. But unfortunately, this one we picked up on Amazon.com. It's a beautiful size. It's just perfect. Now we're making fried rice. We're making our chicken lo mein again. All these dishes we haven't done in a long time. Yeah, it's really good too, especially with the veg. Look at that, making your mouth water, right? You could even make chili in this. You could use it as like a stirring pan, like a really deep pan, and that's really cool. So we made all kinds of chili in this thing. Real simple to clean up too. I love that it's stainless steel. There's no goofy Teflon or anything dangerous in it, and it's real easy to clean up too. This stuff, just soak it for a little bit, wipes right out, real easy to clean up. Yeah, this is probably my new favorite pan, the Willow and Everett Wok Pan. Love this thing. I'm probably going to get a second one. Comes with a lid and a spatula as well, which is real nice.